Good morning. I am working on my this week's $7 pantry challenge, and if you hadn't seen that first video, I'll link it up here. But I'm also working on my meal planning Monday meals for this week. So I just finished it, so I thought I would shoot this video and show you what I plan on eating this week. I will put the week up here when I finish, because that throws people off. Because I'm keeping track of how many videos I've done, so not how many weeks are in the year. So this is like 40 something. But anyway, so you haven't seen the video. I guess you'll probably see it tomorrow. I cooked steaks this morning. I ran across these little bitty, I call them breakfast steaks. I don't know what they are. And they were like $5 for 3 of them. These little breakfast steaks. So I bought them because I was like, I'm craving steaks, but I'm not paying $25, $30 for a steak. So I thought this might help remedy that craving. So I already ate one last week sometime. It was pretty good. Put them in the freezer. The other two, well, I pulled them out and I cooked them this morning. So I had one for breakfast. You'll see that in tomorrow's video. And then, so tonight I'm going to have that other steak and the spinach and mushrooms that I cooked yesterday, I think is when cooking in the morning and eating in the evening. I forget what time, when I cook things. That was yesterday morning, I think. So I'm going to have that for dinner. I'm not going to the store for anything. I'm not pulling anything out of my freezer. This is everything in my pantry. All right. So tomorrow, I'm going to have tacos. You'll also see in tomorrow's video that I cooked a little bit of Sammy's hamburger meat. I pulled it out and made taco meat with it. I've got some corn tortillas that I need to use. I don't know why they don't sell like a 10-pack. You know, they do flour tortillas, but you got to get like a 30-pack of corn tortillas. And I have a hard time going through them. So I am going to have 2 meals this week with corn tortillas. So corn tortillas, the taco meat I cooked, cheese. I don't know if I'm going to use the tomatoes or not. I may put them like, put the cheese and the taco meat in the corn tortilla and then fry the tortillas so you get the crispy cheese. And so I might not open them up and put the tomatoes in them. All right, then I'm going to have on Wednesday, well, not really. I'm going out to lunch on Wednesday, and I forgot, so I have to switch those around. So Thursday, I'm having cheese enchiladas using the corn tortillas, cheese, and I have a can of enchilada sauce that I'm going to use. And then I'm thinking the next morning, because I probably won't use all that enchilada sauce, I'll make some chilaquiles, because I have some tortilla chips I need to use. So clean out my pantry so I can add more stuff to my pantry. Isn't that what I'm doing? Pantry challenge. So on Friday, I have some Alfredo sauce I want to use up. And I have that freeze-dried shrimp. And so I need to start using this up too. So I'm going to make some shrimp tacos, but I'm going to not do that yet. I'm going to use the Alfredo sauce and make shrimp Alfredo. So the only thing I need is the freeze-dried shrimp, reconstitute that, cook some pasta. I'll probably use the pasta water to rehydrate my freeze-dried shrimp. And then Alfredo sauce. And that's about it. And then I work on Friday afternoon, so I'll have that Friday evening, because I'll make it Friday morning. So I'll have that Friday evening, and then Saturday evening, because I work, and I may even get 3 days out of it. We'll see. If not, I will take the cod. Ooh, there we go. I do have the cod in the, I have some fish in the freezer. I think I have 3 pieces. So I need to start using that. I don't know how I'm going to cook it yet or what I'm going to have it with yet. So I'd like, well, I don't know how I'm going to cook it. So that one's still up in the air. Anyway, that is what I am planning on cooking and eating this week. Put in the comments below if you do a meal plan. And if you do, tell me what you've got on your plan this week. And I will see y'all in the next video.